Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw my cartoon version of Batman. Alright, so let's draw this Batman, and to begin we're going to start with his eyes first. We're going to draw in basically two slants. It's going to be kind of long. And then from there on the side here, on the top, just curve down. It's going to be same on both sides. And then once you have that, we're just going to connect it, and it should be a little bit of a slant going up. Alright, and then once we have that, just come down to the middle, make a little mark, and then we'll just draw in two slants going all the way out, slightly past his eye. And now we're going to draw in, fill in the rest of the face. So on the side here, I'm just going to draw a little bracket. And then let's finish up the bottom first. So we come down here. That's going to be his jawline, and then for his chin, which is going to come across and just close it. Okay, and then for the mask on the inside here, from this corner here, I'm just going to go in. And then for this, we're just going to come back down, and that's going to finish up the side of the face. And then for his mouth, I'm just going to give him a little kind of a mad face. And then now we can finish up the top. So for the top, we're going to continue this and just keep going up. It's going to be kind of long, it's all the way for his little pointy things on his head. Once you have that, just kind of come down. And then now we just, for the top of his head, we're just going to curve it side to side. Okay, so that's pretty much the head. And that's going to be pretty much the trickiest part, because the rest is a little bit easier. So now for his little bat symbol here, right underneath his chin, just draw one line. And then angle, just kind of go down. Angle, come down a little bit more. Okay, and then we're going to curve this up. So there's a lot of different Batman symbols, and this is just kind of, I guess, one a little bit more simplified. And then from these 2 points here, just come down and just draw like a little bracket. Go out, come back in. Okay, and then in the middle, come back to the middle, you can make a little point. And then from that point, just kind of draw a curve, connecting that. And that's pretty much it. Okay, and then now for his cape. Let's see, for his cape, his shoulder is going to be all the way up here. But let's just draw in the body first. So just draw in a little line like this going out first. And then let's finish up his body. So just come out to the side, right around here. Slant in. Close it off with a slight curve. And then for his belt, just come up, just draw the same curve. And then for the buckle, we'll just add in two little lines. And then for his, I guess you can call his tight, which is gonna come into the middle. Okay, so that's a good stopping point, and let's finish up the top. So on the top here, go back up here, right next to his eye. Gonna draw one big slant going down. This is going to be part of his cape, the back of his cape. Okay, and then from this line here, just draw one curve until you meet up to that. So you can make this one longer if you didn't make it long enough. Alright, so once you have that, now we can draw in his arms. So his arm's going to be right in here, so just come out to the side. It's a little bit more stylized, so it's going to be bigger. Now for his fist, let's come down, draw a little hook. Back of the fist, just turn it, close it. Same thing here, come across. That's his wrist. Now for his fist, curve, come down, close it. Move on to his legs. So his legs right here in the middle. Draw one curve coming down. Right here, same thing, just a little curve. And then for his knee, just a small little bracket. Lower leg, come out, and then we're gonna come in. And now for his foot here, just flare out, and then come down. And then to finish off his boot, just go back to these corners here, just draw a little angle. Okay, so that's one, and the other one's gonna be a little bit bent. So start in the middle here, you can draw a curve. Out here, same curve. Outside, and then once you have this, we're just gonna close this off because it's bending his leg back. And then now we're gonna draw in his foot here. So we're gonna draw one line, come down. Same thing, a little angle here. Okay, so that's his those are his legs. And to finish off the cape, so we're gonna continue with this side here. Just gonna make it flow to this side. So we're gonna come down, and then on this one, we're gonna curve in. Okay, so those are the 2 points, the 2 ends, and now we just connect them with a bunch of little curves. So turn. So I come in here, gonna go back up. Continue down. So it doesn't have to be like this, it's just as long as you have a couple of these humps. And then for this one, we're just gonna smooth it out. And that is it for my version of Batman. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.